Hey everyone, QUEERVEE here with something really special again. If you have been watching my channel, then you would have seen the part 1 of this collab with ushiprince. He's like my favorite. And this is the part 2 of the collab. So, in the first one, I drew my character, Sarah Lee, and she drew her character, Rosemary. And in the second one, I drew her character, Rosemary, and she drew my character, Sarah Lee. So it's like an OC swap, draw this in your own style kind of deal. And so, I will leave a link to both of her parts, and also my part 1, if you guys are interested in that. And, she chose a character of hers that I really like, named Rosemary. She's a witch character, and she's just very cute. She has these very cute braids, and when ushiprince draws her, the braids are like bigger, but that's her style, so I, was drawing them in my own style, so they end up a little bit smaller, I think, and tighter than the actual character's braids are a bit looser and bigger, I think. And obviously the face looks very different from an ushiprince face, because I don't draw faces like her, and I hope to get my faces closer to her one day, because I think that Chrissy, ushiprince, is an extremely talented artist, and I aspire to become as good as her one day. And she chose to put sunflowers as like the main flower for Rosemary, because she always has like flowers in her hat, I believe. And I was really happy about that, because I love yellow. I just dyed my hair yellow. Like, I love sunflowers. They're very pretty. And I was able to do this in Copic markers, even though I only have 30 Copics. I don't have any greens. I don't have any green Copics. I made all of the green in this piece with yellow and blue Copics. And they don't always blend that well, but they do blend pretty okay to make green, in my opinion. So that's what I used, and thank goodness my skin color set finally came. Oh my god, I ordered them on Amazon, and it took over a month for them to arrive for me. And it was a good deal. It was like Copic sketch markers, like 6 of them for like $23 or something. And I was like, okay, I need to buy these, because also the skin colors were going to be really useful for me. So Rosemary's skin is a little more tan, so I tried to like do that, and I actually also used a yellow-red color peach puff, so I thought it would give a little more dimension to use not just skin colors. I don't know what I'm doing. I know that the jean shorts or pants, or I guess they're pants, are a little like weird looking, but I only have a certain number of blues, and I guess they don't blend like super well, so I had to just kind of like scratch, but it kind of looks like jeans, so I think it's okay. They might be like the things I was least happy with in this piece, but everything else is good. I also don't have a black Copic marker, so I was using my black Bic Illustrator marker, but every other thing I used Copic marker for, and both me and ushiprince used Copic markers for this whole thing, like for both of our pieces. The hat I probably could have made a little darker, but I still like how it turned out a lot. It turned out a lot better than I thought as I was like working on it. I was like, oh, this looks so bad, and then at the end I was like, oh, it's actually pretty good. But anyways, let me tell you a little bit more about ushiprince, because I know I don't talk about her enough already as is. Talk about her in a lot of my videos, at least mention her, because of her I started outlining things with colored pencil instead of like black like fine liners, and so I am always inspired by her. Ouch, it's in my hand. And yeah, so if you guys haven't checked out her channel already, I greatly recommend it, because her channel is the best. It's my favorite YouTube channel, like hands down, especially now that we've become friends, because I love her so much. I love her, and we talk all the time on Discord, and she's just a really great person, and her personality is lots of fun. Her voice is really nice. and her art is it's just super cute and wonderful. Pretty much everybody who follows her channel loves her aesthetic because it's just really cute and like really nice, and she draws lots of flowers and stuff, and she uses like all different kinds of medium, not just Copics. She paints, and she gets art snacks if you guys are interested in art snacks. And yeah, she has really nice music in her videos. They're really calming. I've actually made 2 playlists of all of her videos, like one just for art snacks, because I don't know, I like to separate things, and then one of like all the rest of her videos. And sometimes I just like put it up when I'm like doing art, or just when I'm like doing something else, like not really paying attention. I've watched her videos so many times. Sometimes I'll like randomly pop on Discord and like talk to her about something in one of her videos. Like there's this one video where she drew Fern from Adventure Time, and she like talks about how big his butt is, and it's just like one of my favorite moments. I don't even know why, but I told her that once, and her response was funny. It was just about his butt, but but yeah, this character took me super long to do. Like this art piece took me like an hour and a half, which lately my art has been taking me like an hour, so this took longer than my piece, even though my piece is a full body piece. I think I was like working harder on this one to make sure it was like perfect, and I did a lot of outlining because I tried to outline in just pink at first, but then it wasn't like solid enough, so then I had to go back with the black very thin pencil and kind of outline it a bit more. I wanted to make it really good because we decided to send these to each other in the mail, and we decided not to show each other them before, so it was like surprise fun time in the mail. And so that was like super exciting, and I like could not wait to receive her package. And I actually got her package quite a bit before she received mine because I am poor, and I sent mine in like a letter with a stamp because that's all I could afford, and she sent hers in like a fancy package, so it got here pretty quickly. And yeah, I really like how this piece turned out. I'm happy with it, and I was really glad to send it to her, even though I prefer to work with Copics in my sketchbook. It was like, I'll do it on an extra piece for you! So I hope you guys really liked that, and here is the footage of me unboxing her package. Woo! Alright, so it got here, and I'm so excited! And it's very cute. There's little stickers everywhere. It's very cute. I'm definitely going to keep this. They're so nice and pretty. Okay, so everything is wrapped in like very cute tissue paper. Oh my god, it's so pretty. Art goodies. Okay, gonna put that here. Anywho, I'm very grateful we did this collab together. It has been a lot of fun getting to know you. It is also very nice having an art YouTube friend. I hope you get use out of the art supplies I sent you. I would have included more, but I didn't want the package to get too heavy. But I know there's a couple things that you'll love for sure. I hope you enjoy the art and the goodies. Crafty. Oh my god. These are super cute. Little memo pads, by the way. Super adorable. I've seen stickers like that on AshleyStaysGolden. Okay, I'm gonna open this. Oh my gosh! This is so amazing, you guys! Oh my gosh! Oh, I just want to look at it. Oh, this is so cute! Seriously, looks so cute! Oh my gosh! This is like... This is the best. I'm gonna hang this up on my wall, and it's so big. Oh my god. Oh my gosh, she's so cute. And this skin color definitely looks more like her skin color than the one that I used. Oh my gosh. Okay, alright, let's move on. Sorry. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. So, How to Train Your Dragon is like both of our favorite movies, and so we're like How to Train Your Dragon friends. Oh, it looks so good. It's on both sides. Oh my god. Oh my god. I love it. I love it so much. Oh my gosh, there's so much, you guys. Oh my gosh. 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 I'm so excited. I'm gonna use my colors. Oh my gosh. There's so much more. This is going to be with the black. Oh, it's silver. Ooh, it's shiny. Oh, shiny. Ooh. That looks nice. Oh my gosh. Where is it? Oh my gosh, this is so beautiful. Oh my gosh. Yellow. I'm on yellow. I don't have this color because it's so pretty. Oh my gosh. Ooh, this is cool. Ooh, I definitely want to try this. Yes, oh my god, this color is so pretty. Yes, these are like so close together. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Ooh, or these pens. It's always good to have soft brush. I actually have these, but I like them, so I will be I will also pay for it in the video as well. Ooh. I like that. I don't know how to spell it, but that's a pretty color. Yes, okay, so I actually started my and I use it all the time. I really like all that. And I kind of like one of those that. I'm kind of ready, so. It's cute. Ooh, okay. Johnny drafting pencil. I always see that one. But that's pretty sweet. Okay, black magic. Ooh, this is okay. So yes, lots of paint. It's cool. Ooh, I actually really want to try this. I saw it. I saw people getting my to try that. And yes, it's gonna be nice. I don't have any way to reach because it's also one. Yay. I don't like to use a lot, but still, ooh, that's actually very nice. Very close to it. Yeah, oh my gosh, I know this is like forever nothing. I'm gonna know. I'm excited. That's another time. That is the best part. I mean, I am very excited, obviously, to use all the supplies, but oh my gosh. This is, oh my gosh, I can't. Okay, there we go. I'm really good at this. I'm really good at it. It's cool. Yes, it's so pretty. This is the best, and I'm so happy. And I'm just gonna be happy with this now forever. Yes, so thank you so much, ushiprince, for doing this with me. It's been a blast. This collab was super fun, and I'm so happy that we did it. It was so great, and it was wonderful to receive things from each other in the mail. It was really lovely, and I hope you guys enjoyed that, because I really did. I had a blast doing this, and I hope that you check out her channel and support her too, because she's just amazing, and she's a very good friend of mine now. I would also like to thank my patrons, Ezsithyn, Artemystik, Kim, Rhian, Jill, and Ashley. You guys are the best, and I love you so much. Thank you very, very much for supporting me and letting me do more things. If anybody else is interested in my Patreon, check the link below. And I'm sorry that this video was so long, but if you did like it, please leave a like, leave a comment for me so I can get to know you. Please subscribe to me, it would mean a lot. And yeah, I hope that you can join me on my journey to get better. Anyways, I hope you guys are having a good day, because I am. Bye!